Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of juggling browser tabs, emails, and tasks? Well, imagine telling ChatGPT to do it for you, and it actually works. Today, I'll show you how to harness the power of ChatGPT Agent, the game-changing virtual assistant that's about to revolutionize the way we work online. So, what exactly is ChatGPT Agent? Fresh as of July 17, 2025, OpenAI introduced this incredible tool that uses a built-in computer to research, click buttons, analyze data, and even create slides, all under your control. It's like having a super smart intern who never sleeps and works at the speed of light. Now, why does this matter? Simply put, ChatGPT Agent is a massive time saver. It can automate multi-step workflows, handling everything from booking appointments to conducting in-depth research and drafting reports. And the best part, it's available right now for Pro, Plus, and Team users, with an enterprise rollout coming soon. But don't worry, OpenAI hasn't forgotten about safety. ChatGPT Agent comes with built-in guardrails. It pauses on sensitive tasks and asks for permission before taking any irreversible actions. It's designed to be your trusty sidekick, not a loose cannon. Let's dive into 5 key use cases that showcase just how powerful ChatGPT Agent can be. First up, we have Web Research Deep Dive. Imagine you're working on a complex project and need to gather information from multiple sources. Instead of spending hours clicking through websites and taking notes, you can simply ask ChatGPT Agent to gather the info, cite sources, and summarize reports for you. It's like having a research assistant that works at the speed of light. Next, let's talk about content creation. Whether you need a presentation, an article outline, or a complex spreadsheet, ChatGPT Agent can draft it all in one go. No more switching between apps or losing your train of thought. Just describe what you need and watch as your content comes to life. But ChatGPT Agent isn't just about research and writing. It can also handle task execution on the web. Need to schedule a bunch of calendar invites or fill out multiple forms? ChatGPT Agent can click through these tasks for you, saving you from the mind-numbing repetition of data entry. For all you online shoppers out there, ChatGPT Agent can be your personal e-commerce assistant. It can search for products and curate options based on your preferences. While it can't place orders yet safety first, it can save you hours of scrolling and comparing. Lastly, one of the coolest features is adaptive workflows. Once you set up a workflow with ChatGPT Agent, you can reuse it to handle similar tasks even faster in the future. It's like teaching a virtual assistant once and having it remember forever. Now, I know you're itching to try this out, so let's talk about how to activate Agent Mode. First things first, you'll need a Pro, Plus, or Team subscription, which has been available since July 18, 2025. Once you're subscribed, start a conversation and select Agent Mode. The key here is to describe your task clearly. The more specific you are, the better results you'll get. As you work with ChatGPT Agent, it may ask for permissions to browse the web, open tabs, or access files. Don't worry, this is normal and necessary for it to complete your tasks. Just make sure you're comfortable with the permissions you're granting. While ChatGPT Agent is working, you can monitor its progress and intervene if needed. It's designed to stop and ask for guidance on critical steps, so you're always in control. Once the task is complete, you'll receive summaries, reports, or files all ready for you to use. Now, let me share some pro tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT Agent. First, use clear, step-by-step prompts. For example, you might say, find 5 articles on renewable energy, open the links, and summarize the key points in bullet form. The more specific you are, the better the results. Don't be afraid to combine tools seamlessly. You can ask ChatGPT Agent to draft an email, summarize research, and export a spreadsheet all in one prompt. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of productivity at your fingertips. While ChatGPT Agent is incredibly capable, it's important to stay safe. Avoid asking it to log into sensitive accounts or make transactions. These features are still under development. Think of it as a brilliant intern who's still learning the ropes. If you don't get the results you want right away, don't give up, iterate, and refine your prompts. Treat it like you're training a virtual assistant. The more you work with it, the better it gets at understanding your needs. For tasks you do regularly, save your prompt templates. This way, you can easily reuse them without having to reinvent the wheel each time. It's like creating your own personal playbook for productivity. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention a few caveats and limitations. ChatGPT Agent is still learning, so you might encounter slow speeds, occasional mistakes in clicking, or limited transaction abilities. It's not fully autonomous yet. It can help with research and prep, but it can't finalize purchases or log into accounts. Think of it as a super smart helper, not a replacement for human judgment. But the future is bright. OpenAI is planning to expand support to enterprise and education tiers soon. We can expect faster performance, broader capabilities, and exciting new integrations in the coming months. Alright, tech enthusiasts, we've covered a lot of ground today. If you want to get your hands on the exact prompts I used in this video, hit Save Prompt in the comments. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We're dropping templates next week that you won't want to miss. Before I sign off, let me give you a little teaser for our next video, how to automate your YouTube content calendar with AI. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer for content creators. That's all for today, folks. Remember, the future of productivity is here. It's time to let ChatGPT Agent do the heavy lifting while you focus on what really matters. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.